Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Bird Window Stickers is probably one of the most overlooked yet critical tools for any bird lover or homeowner. These simple, often transparent, decals can drastically reduce the number of bird strikes on your windows, protecting our feathered friends from harm. In this video, we'll dive into the world of bird-safe window stickers, exploring their effectiveness, design, and how to choose the right ones for your home. Number 5. WindowAlert Leaf Medley Bird Collision Decal, made in USA. Are you worried about birds flying into your windows? This product is designed to prevent those collisions. It's a simple solution to protect the birds you love. Each decal uses special UV reflective material. This material reflects sunlight in a way that birds can see, acting as a warning. To you, it looks like frosted glass. The decals come in a leaf medley design. You can choose a style that fits your home decor. Each pack includes 5 semi-transparent static cling decals. Applying the decals is easy. Just make sure your window is clean before you put them on. It's designed for one-time application on exterior glass surfaces. WindowAlert is a trusted name in bird safety. They pioneered UV window decals back in 2003. These decals are made in the USA. What we like? This product uses UV reflective technology, making it highly visible to birds while appearing like frosted glass to humans. It's also proudly made in the USA. If you have large windows or sliding doors and want a discreet yet effective solution, this is a great choice. The UV reflection provides a clear warning to birds, preventing collisions while maintaining your view. What people say. They are slightly larger than a quarter coin and went on easy enough. These have worked wonderfully. I have floor-to-ceiling windows. No birds have hit our windows since putting these stickers up. Effective product. We have a sunroom surrounded by windows by a lake and we're receiving bird strikes almost daily before using these. Easy to apply, barely noticeable and wonderfully effective. Number 4. Anti-collision bird stickers decals for glass door. Are you tired of birds crashing into your windows? These anti-collision stickers are designed to prevent those accidents. They help protect both your feathered friends and your glass doors. Made from durable PVC, this product is built to last. It effectively prevents birds from colliding with your windows. It is a simple solution to a common problem. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel and stick the decals onto your window or door. For best results, apply them to the outside of the window, but inside application is also possible. These stickers significantly reduce the risk of bird strikes and prevent potential glass breakage. They provide a visual deterrent for birds, keeping them safe. The stickers feature a long-lasting, self-adhesive backing. They are suitable for smooth glass surfaces. This ensures they stay in place and effectively protect your windows. What we like? These stickers are made of durable PVC and are incredibly easy to install. Just peel and stick. It's a simple solution to protect your windows from bird strikes. If you're looking for a quick, no-fuss way to safeguard your windows and doors, this is the perfect option. It is a cost-effective way to prevent accidents. What people say. Easy to put on windows, and so far so good. No more birds crashing into our windows. Seems to be working great. Birds have stopped flying into the living room window. Before I applied them, 1 or more birds flew into the window. They are very easy to apply and they work. Number 3. EACILLES Anti-Collision Window Stickers for Birds. Are birds constantly flying into your windows? These decals are designed to prevent that. They are a simple and effective solution to protect birds from hitting your glass. These stickers can be applied to any glass surface, whether it's at home or in the office. They are easy to set up and remove, leaving no mess behind. Each decal is round and measures 3 inches in diameter. You'll receive 20 pieces in total, providing ample coverage for your windows. The self-adhesive design makes application a breeze. You can apply them to either the inside or outside of your windows, depending on your preference. The holographic reflection creates a dazzling light effect. This helps birds see the windows, preventing them from flying into the glass. These bird-saving window decals are brought to you by EACILLES. Get yours today and keep the birds safe. What we like? These decals feature a holographic reflection, creating a dazzling effect that alerts birds to the presence of glass. They are easy to apply and remove, making them convenient for any window. If you like a visually appealing design that also effectively deters birds, you should consider this. The holographic effect provides an extra layer of visibility. What people say. After using these stickers 10 per window, it worked. I use these on 8-foot glass doors to prevent bird strikes. They work very well. Adhere well to clean glass. Number 2. Outus 32 pieces bird deterrent window stickers. Are you tired of birds colliding with your windows? These Outus stickers are designed to prevent bird strikes. They are an effective solution to keep birds safe. Featuring charming hummingbird, butterfly, and leaf designs, these stickers add a touch of nature to your windows. The variety of shapes makes it visually appealing. These static stickers are easy to apply and remove without leaving any residue. You can reposition them as needed. It's a convenient and user-friendly solution. The stickers act as a visual deterrent, alerting birds to the presence of glass. This helps prevent them from flying into your windows. They are a simple yet effective tool. With 32 pieces, you have plenty to cover multiple windows or create a unique pattern. They provide ample coverage for your needs. It's a great value for your money. What we like. These stickers come in a variety of leaf shapes and use static cling, making them easy to apply and reposition. They are designed to blend with your outdoor environment. If you're looking for a subtle yet effective deterrent that adds a touch of nature to your windows, this is a great choice. The leaf shapes provide a natural aesthetic while preventing bird strikes. What people say. The stickers are easy to apply. They are very effective in preventing bird strikes. The design is visually appealing and blends well with the window. Number 1. EACILLES butterfly window decals for bird strikes. These butterfly-shaped decals are designed to alert birds and prevent them from colliding with your windows. They are perfect for both home and office use, providing a simple yet effective solution to a common problem. Made with translucent prismatic vinyl, the decals capture sunlight and transform it into beautiful rainbows. They not only protect birds but also add a touch of color and vibrancy to any room. The premium vinyl ensures a more colorful and long-lasting effect. The set includes 20 butterfly-style decals in 5 different styles, each about 4 inches in size. Applying them is easy. Just peel off the backing film, spray some water on the glass, and stick the smooth side to the window. These window clings use static to adhere to the glass, so there's no adhesive and they are movable and reusable. This means you can easily reposition them without leaving any residue behind. These decals are originally designed by EACILLES. They offer a practical and aesthetically pleasing way to protect birds while enhancing your windows. What we like. These butterfly-shaped decals not only prevent bird strikes but also create beautiful rainbows in your room. They're made with premium vinyl and are reusable thanks to their static cling design. If you like adding a touch of color and whimsy to your home while protecting birds, this is the perfect option. The rainbow effect is a unique and attractive feature. What people say. They stick great and have only come off when picked off by our cats. They are beautiful and add a nice touch. I placed these stickers on the mirror, and they don't diminish the light reflection at all, and they are quite beautiful, as if they were made from crystal. People have always loved the mirror in my garden, and as many comment now as before. And I haven't found any unfortunate birds since I placed them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.